Ow, fuck!
That thinks Frank's gonna kill it.
Again, to let you know, I just came to remind y'all que ese culo bota caca.
Every now and then, come and take my hand. For every little lie you tell, so you can.
This is Sheba. I wrote her in today because I'm telling you she's a better person.
Parkour! Michael, parkour!
Okay.
My boys won't hesitate to run up on your voice. You know me, so fuck that.
The mother of Princess William and
来吧，儿子。
有人，有人。有人。有人。
嗯？嗯？
有人。 有人，
开个奖。
嗯？嗯？咦？嗯？咦？啊？
哎呀，别动了，搞得我都烦死了。
啊？咦？嗯？
有人，
咦？
有人，
嗯？
来，哎，你就是穷来，出息。
咦？嗯？嗯？嗯？啊？
别下来。
Wonder what these fucking toads are up to. Sup, toads?
It's the almighty Jerry.
Hey, Jerry!
We love you, Jerry.
What the fuck are you bitches doing, dude?
We're not bitches, Jerry. Hey! Richard, what have you done?
Why did you do that?
What were you thinking?
Fuck you, Jerry!
Richard, stop
The
it!
fuck? Do I have to kill all of you now?
No,
What the fuck is your fucking deal, fam? Seriously!
They're gonna get me! Oh shit, Big Bob! Help!
God damn it, Timmy, on my day off. Hey, get out of here, bird. God damn it, don't come back. Okay? Bitch.
Hey, Timmy, where the hell are we, man? Yeah, Greg, to be honest with you, after we passed Polar Bear Boulevard, kind of got turned around. God damn it, Timmy, I knew we should have took a right. So anyways, son, whoa, Jesus Christ. I'm out. Yeah, fuck you guys. Holy shit.
Whoa!
Jesus, what the fuck's the matter with you, Mark? Get a hold of yourself.
I'm getting the hell out of here.
Mark, what the... Dude, come on. Oh, I'm back. Oh, shit.
Telling them, give me the Sheba next time because the meow make. Hey, yo, who was that on your goddamn forehead? As you can see, a cat's balance. Hey, don't put your nose on me when I'm walking through with balance and grace. You know better than that. So we slapping people, huh? Okay. Hey, Gerald, man, back on up, Playboy. We talking grown folks' business in here. Cordell, man. Skippity pack that ass up, man. Damn, Rudy. What you hit me like that for, Rudy? I was asleep. Skippity pat, skippity pat. Don't want somewhere, Marcus. I can skippity pat, I can skippity pap you up all day.
I told you it's not a good idea.
Want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me.